Yo guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna go to the dentist. Up next.
Take the path of peril. And I also think that would be good. Normally,
What is that?
But I told you,
This is
isn't
a
the game.
Mario
All that
thing.
matters today is Dad.
That's so
Right
cool.
now, he's sitting in that fan. He's confused.
Is that one the Marvel? That one's out of order.
Inky can feel the vibrations of the music, and he's dancing.
There you go. Go down. Go to quit right there. Push the button. It's starting.
You can't just shoelaces loose there, Pop.
That's so cool.
I want to see it too.
That's the Mario arcade.
And they have some TV up there.
And they got a TV to watch.
Yeah. They got this show for popular
Mm-hmm.
You really think this path of
You gonna play it?
Okay. Yeah, another game.
We shall
This
get
one.
turns out
Push
this
to start.
sword's the only sword of its kind in all the land.
It says load.
So let's call it 10,000. You can't do that. Well, I just did.
There you go. Nope. Not that one.
They're fine. See that? Hey, you can't go.
That's so cool.
Well, I just did.
Yeah, push the buttons on the bottom.
This one?
In front. Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Push the button again for start. Start.
It's time for the big
Parade. Mm-hmm.
Whoa! Let me take it out. Much easier to talk.
Yeah.
There's Mickey Mouse. So, we went to the dentist.
We had a cleaning. Teeth are nice and clean. Till next time.
Next time, we got some toys, some surprises. Bye!